Welcome back to AM Northwest. If you're in your 40s or 50s, you just may be your own worst enemy when it comes to your health. Here to share the common midlife health mistakes and how to fix them, we welcome the author of The Most Effective Ways to Live Longer, nutrition expert Jonny Bowden. Good to see you again.
It's good to see you, Helen. I love being back here.
Oh, yay. So now tell us, you have some ideas for us, because what are some of the mistakes we make when we're over 50?
I've got 3 basic, easy fixes for
Okay.
a lot of those mistakes. Easy to remember, easy to do. And I can't emphasize how important this is. The oils we eat with, the ones we have been taught are so healthy, the vegetable oils, which aren't even vegetable oils, they're from seeds like corn and legumes like soy, they're very pro-inflammatory. We need an oil change. We need to start incorporating other oils we don't know about, which don't have that inflammatory process. And then for cooking, I love palm oil, Malaysian palm oil. This is one of the most underappreciated oils in the world. Yes, it has saturated fat, and that is healthy saturated fat. That's good for you. It's anti-inflammatory. This is non-GMO. It has no trans fats. It's sustainable because it comes from Malaysia, which is the most responsible environmental country. So get some palm oil. Get rid of some of that corn oil and soybean oil. They're not good for you, folks.